सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् Our scriptures, they are mainly 14 in number. 4 Vedas. So what are those 4 Vedas? To understand those Vedas, we require Veda Angas. Veda Angas, limbs, like to understand Veda. That means anyone want to study Veda, they have to study that ancillaries like Angas, Siksha, Kalpam, Vyakaranam, Niruktam, Chandas, Jyotisham. 6 Angas are there, Shadangas, to understand Veda. In English they call it as phonetics, prosody, etymology, like that, grammar. All these are supportive by that knowledge. For example, Vyakarana, Sanskrit grammar. Unless the person is thorough in Sanskrit grammar, he cannot understand the Veda. Similarly, Siksha Shastram, Kalpa Shastram, like that 6 Shastrams are there. We will see in future all those details. First I am giving hints, taste I am showing, okay. Then there are 4 Upa-Angas. Upa-Angas, there are again 4. Dhanurveda, Ayurveda, Gandharva Veda, Arthashastra. So there are these 4. Then how many now? 4 plus 6 plus 4. How many? 14. You don't require calculator. Okay. They are called Chaturdasha. Chaturdasha means 10 plus 4, totally 14. Chaturdasha. Vidyasthanani. They are called Vidyasthanani, means if you want to understand Sanatana Dharma, you have to study them thoroughly. If you are not able to study, at least you have to listen from those people who have studied. Everyone cannot study all the Chaturdasha Vidyasthana. Siksha, Kalpam, Vyakaranam, Niruktam, Chandas, Jyotisham, Dhanurveda, Ayurveda, Gandharva Veda, Arthashastra. First to remember all these names itself is difficult. Where is the question of studying? Each Shastra to study takes 12 years. Each Shastra. 12 years to master. Just like our children, grandchildren, they have to master one degree, means master degree. From LKG, pre-KG onwards you count how many years? More than 12 years. From pre-KG you count up to PhD, master degree, post-graduation. Minimum 12 years. More than 12 years. Like that, to study Sanskrit Vyakaranam 12 years, to study Jyotishyam 12 years, to study etymology or Chandas or prosody, all these, each Shastra 12 years it will take. Even Vedanta also minimum 12 years. That's why they put in Gurukula. Full and full study. No other word for them. They dedicate their whole time, energy, quality time to study one Shastra. They become masters in that field of knowledge. To understand Vedanta, minimum we require Bhagavad Gita knowledge. If you don't know Sanskritam also, doesn't matter. You don't feel bad. You have to study from early age Sanskrit. Otherwise anything is difficult only. So whatever you understand in this language, communicating language, you understand enough. Don't feel bad. Okay? That's why Sanskrit must be compulsory in all schools. Then our children can enjoy our scriptural knowledge. But very few schools have got the Sanskrit. They have German. They have French. I do not know what they are going to achieve by German and French. Foreign languages they keep. Anyhow, English is there already. Some more foreign languages. Suppose my son goes to France tomorrow. Tomorrow means after a few years. Let him learn French. Suppose if I want to send him to German, let him learn German. Like that, parents think normal. In Chennai, it's like that. No child knows the mother tongue Tamil. They don't know how to write, how to read mother tongue. Similarly, Telugu also. One MSc student came to my Gita Jnana Yajna in Hyderabad. Swamini, when is your next class? What is the time? She is asking me. I said, you see the board already. We have kept the big board. You can see that. Swamini, sorry, I am not able to read Telugu. Telugu lady belongs to Telugu only. But she is not able to read. Maximum children, especially in Chennai, what I have seen, maximum they are not able to read mother tongue. Mother tongue means what? Mother tongue. Na amma tongue. Mother tongue. Through which mother teaches. Mamma saapadiya. In Tamil kepan. They ask in Tamil, Mamma saapadiya. Saapadiya in Tamil. Eat food. Mamma saapadiya. Child understand that language which comes from the mother language, mother tongue. In which language I am born, that is called mother tongue. Okay. What we do, we send the child to the pre-KG. Pre-KG before another KG is some more KG is there, I do not know. Pre-KG starting. Pre-nursery. Oh my God. What is the age of that child? My God. I went to school only at the age of 6. I do not know this. 2-year-old kid, take that. I was a teacher, the 12th standard, that's the higher secondary school. My classroom and the pre-KG classroom next building. When parents come to drop their child, baby, small baby, 2-year-old, so crying, face becomes so red. Crying when the mother leaves, father leaves the baby in the classroom. And the teacher has to manage with 60 children. Pre-KG, LKG, all of the classes next. The children are crying 1 hour. My God, I used to listen. I used to peep from the window also. Why they are crying? So fully red face, eyes watering. Here also there is one matam next to that. There is one school. When mother is leaving, child runs off of the distance. Then teacher catches that child. Mother went away. And the child settles after 1 hour, 2 hours. What child feels, The teacher speaks what language, Hey, don't cry. English. Child doesn't know what is that English language. Our Sanatana Dharma gone so down to the earth. So the child, baby has to listen. Your mummy will come after some time. What is mummy? Child looks at the teacher. What do you mean by mummy? Your father will come after few hours. What is father? Father, mother knew words, no? Baby do not know. If Amma word might have used by the teacher, the student would have felt some comfortable. But mummy word is not comfortable through that baby. Father word is not comfortable because new language. Why the teacher is saying my mummy, my father? Because parents ask, make my child to speak English. 2-year-old kid, wow. Make my child to speak in daddy, mummy. Amma, appa. Amma, nana. You should not call. Because we send our children to speak in English. How mother tongue can come? Don't speak in mother tongue. You have to speak only in English. Mata, Pita. Mata, Pita is Sanskrit. No touch. From that age, 2-year age onwards, we become slaves to that foreign culture. 2-year-old. I want to know from all of you, please define the meaning of the word madam. Madam, people call no? Madam. I ask many people, please explain what is the meaning of madam. They call Samini also madam. Amma Kuplamli, they can call me as Amma, Mataji. Where they have done Mataji, Amma? Amma is the sweetest word in the world. காட்டு and சொல்லுவாங்க கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல பேசுறேன் காட்டுன்னா open your mouth mother feeds the baby inside the mouth because from liquid food to solid food when mother is transferring that food that baby rejects that hard food baby want to spit out. If baby go on spitting out, how can baby grows? Therefore, mother is intelligently, after keeping the food, first cut. Baby, whatever mother does, baby does. Putting the food inside. Then baby says, gone. Food gone inside. Like this, mother has to feed 1 hour, 2 hours to that baby, this much of food. Not 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. until the child gets accustomed to that food. How much struggle. Baby learn the first word, amma. What is the first word baby learns? Amma. Amma. Any language you speak, you open the mouth and you close the mouth. That's all. No? In between all letters comes. That's why Amma is the sweetest word in the world. Make your children, all of them, to call you as Amma, Amma, Amma. The sweetest word. Child feels more familiar, close. When mother leaves the child at the age of 2 years, I am unwanted to my mother. I am unwanted to my mother. Child develops psychological distance from the mother. Child gets attached to the ayah. Once these parents gets transferred, the child misses the ayah. And the child becomes sick because missing ayah. Parents do not know the psychology of the child. Parents want only my child should study from second year, 2-year-old onwards, study, and she imagines her son is a big CEO. No, the child is 2-year-old. She imagines he is sitting in the big office, boss. Psychologically, how much we are damaging an individual to grow. We are not bothering. Just position, status you are looking at. Not looking at the child eyes. Look into the child eyes. Innocent eyes. The Vedas Sthanani, why I have come to this point, Sanskrit language. At least learn mother tongue. 3 languages I said in the last course also. How many of you remember? I do not know. 3 languages. If a person learns, he is a complete person, deserve to live in this country. Otherwise, where will you go? What are the 3 languages? How many of you remember? My old students tell me. Last year students, old students are not old. Age wise. Mother tongue? First, Matrubhasha. What language I said, you also tell me. What you call mother tongue, what bhasha it is? Matrubhasha. Next, Deva Bhasha, Samskritam. Third one, Rashtra Bhasha. What is that? Hindi. If these 3 languages you know, you are fit to live in this land. 3 languages are compulsory. Who says? Who says? Which government says? No. If I want to be 100%, 24 carats gold, 24 karat gold like. If you want to be a true Sanatani, make your child to learn 3 languages. You need not worry, Swamini, how to bring up my child, how to train my child. I want my son or daughter to be a very good personality. These 3 things you do, everything will take care of. Matrubhasha. There is no child without learning Matrubhasha, writing and reading. If you don't teach here, what will happen, If you teach only English and they learn American English because they have to go to America. So therefore they will go to course. They teach you how to speak in American accent. Otherwise you cannot survive there. Britishers' accent. There is a training. In Chennai, all training centers are there to brainwash. Accent we have to learn. And we don't understand that each single word what they talk. And they go to America and they cook Maabadi. You know Maabadi? Telugu. They learn Telugu in America. They got love, affection towards Telugu after going to America. I don't like here. When I'm in Andhra, I don't like Telugu. But when I go America, I develop love, affection towards Telugu. I went 2 times to America. I moved 8-9 states within 20 days. I know the pulse of America. Maabadi. Similar Tamil Badi. Telugu Badi, Tamil Badi. Badi in a school. Okay? அங்கே போய் தமிழ் கற்றுக்கிறான், அங்கே போய் தெலுங்கு கற்றுக்கிறான். என்னாச்சு இங்கன்னா அக்கறைக்கு இக்கிற பச்சை என்று சொன்னாங்க தமிழ்ல. Distant scenery, pastures are very attractive. After going there only they understand the greatness of this country. People are giving lectures from there, from America. All Bharatiyas, so-called Bharatiyas who settled 80 years back, they are talking the greatness of our Hindu culture. Channels they have. They don't come here. They stay there and talk. You go and see the YouTube channels. Giving lectures on lectures. Settled there in America. 80 years back they went, their parents. And they settled, well settled. Now they are talking about Varna Vyavastha, Ashrama Vyavastha, about Varna, how Sanatana Dharma they talk. Doesn't work. Rama said, when Lakshmana, after the death of Ravana, you see the golden city of Lanka, whole thing is gold, my God. Everything is gold, window is gold, door is gold, walls are also gold. Gold. Lanka Nagaram is Swarna Mayam. Then Lakshmana asked Rama, shall we stay here in this Lanka Nagaram? It is so beautiful. Why to go to Ayodhya? Let Bharata rule that. We need not go back. Lakshmana told Rama did not enter Lanka Nagaram, you know. He did not enter Lanka Nagaram. He was staying outskirts of Lanka Nagaram because he promised his mother, I will stay only in forest. Therefore, he should not enter in any city, anywhere. He stayed only outskirts of that, even where this Guha also there. He didn't go to their places, outskirts. They have to come and do friendship with Rama. Similarly, Rama did not go to Lanka. Lakshmana wanted to go. Then Rama said, no. Api swarnamayi Lanka name Lakshmana rochate janani janma bhumischa swargadapi gariyasi. Rama said. While coming from Ayodhya, Rama took some cloud of mud, tied in a cloth and carried it with him. Every day morning, he do puja to that Ayodhya, mud, because this is my motherland. That is the love of Rama towards his land. Hey Lakshmana, even though Lanka Nagaram is full of gold, Apiswarnamayi Lanka, me na rochate. I am not interested in that. Na me Lakshmana rochate. Why? Janani, my mother, Kaikeyi, he always calls first Kaikeyi, then Kausalya, my mother. Janma bhumischa, my motherland. Swargadapi gariyasi. It is greater than heaven to me. It It is greater than heaven to me. My Bharat is my motherland. I am proud to be born here. We should feel like that. Then it can come when the child knows mother tongue first. Once a child is the best at mother tongue, all languages simply they come. No difficulty at all. One mother tongue knows by English, however much you know, you cannot be 100% perfect in English. Who said this? Wordsworth himself said. What to talk of ordinary we are. Wordsworth said, Bangle sellers English like Keats and Wordsworth, there are great poets in English. One Italian poet said, however much I write in English, it cannot come like mother tongue. You may learn. I will speak in English. I cannot be master of English. Foreign language is a foreign language. Only for communication we use. It does not mean we speak English only at home also. வீட்டில் நல்ல மதர் டங் பேசுறது அது கற்றுக்கணும். தாய்மொழி மதர் டங்னா தமிழில் தாய்மொழி மாத்ருபாஷா. Then you are really living in this culture. Because your culture is there in your mother tongue. Similarly, Rashtra Bhasha. My whole country, one language is the Rashtra Bhasha is Hindi. But in Sanskritam is outdated nowadays. Only it is picking up. But maximum people speak Hindi. So we consider it is mixed with Urdu. What to do? Original Hindi is not, nobody is speaking. Ella mixed with some Urdu words. Okay, anyhow, original Hindi, Rashtra Bhasha, we consider for time being, we have to learn. The country can be strong when everyone knows Rashtra Bhasha. Then only we can listen Man Ki Baat. Man Ki Baat enna Swami. What is that Man Ki Baat? What is the monkey? Hey, monkey nahi hai. Man ki baat. Hindi. Then only I can love my country. When I know the Rashtra Bhasha, I love my Rashtram. This Rashtra word comes in many suktams. I have to learn Desha Bhakti from Lord Rama. Eating here, enjoying everything here, loving for some other country. It is just like taking birth from the mother and hitting the mother and going away. Just like that. Mother who gave birth to me, leaving her and loving something else. That is the droham. Similarly, motherland also. Hindi Bhasha is must. Then Sanskritam, Deva Bhasha. Because all Chaturdasha Vidya Sthanani are in Sanskrit. Later comes many commentaries, Purana, Itihasas, so many. I told you, the values given in Upanishads brought out into Purana, Itihasa. Start from basic. All of you, first thing what you have to do, by pictorial means with the pictures. Ramayana, Bharata, Bhagavata. Immediately. Keep in the child almirah where the books are there. You can sleep happily. No worry. Keep Ramayana, Bharata, Bhagavata with pictorial pictures. Amar Chitra Katha. All our Puranic stories are available plenty in many languages. Whatever language they like, they can read. Put that in their almirah. The child will be taken care of. You can happily relax. I will guarantee You can come and ask me after 25 years also. Swamini, what you said is correct. You will tell. That is the greatness of our epics. All are in original Sanskrit, written in Sanskrit. Fortunately, many great scholars translated into mother tongue. All 14, 15, 17 languages available. Even in foreign countries. Obama, every day he looks at Mahabharata. They read Bhagavad Gita. We read stardust. Dust. Something dust. They themselves said, whenever I have doubt, confusion, we take up Bhagavad Gita and look into that, we get a lot of solution. We are in such a position, what is Bhagavad Gita? We are asking nowadays. World has recognized Bhagavad Gita is the only text which can give peace, happiness. The world has recognized. Therefore, Ramayana, Bharata, Bhagavata, you go and see in Russia, the Ramayana, Bhagavata, Bharata, they love. Even in Bali, one place I saw, I heard Ramayana. Our culture went so corners, nook and corners of the world by just its greatness, not by sword and holding some book in their hand. They hold their book and in the hand. You know what is that book? I don't want to tell after that name. Okay. If you don't convert, what? I have to do some drama, action also. This is what their culture. But our people never went like that. Wise people, all great people went all over the world, and just by their presence people were attracted towards this culture. Because ours is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Ours is encompassing, embracing, because we have Ishvara Bhavana. That is what my culture teaches. That's why Vaidika Dharma it is. Be proud. Let your child also be proud of this culture. First you must be proud. Then only they will be proud. If they are only proud of this culture, you are not, then what you do? Impose. Hey, study. But I have to show like this flight, 9th standard child, student, struggling. How to go to America? Dreams. Dream. Enna dream. Preparing at the 9th, 8th standard itself, how to go to America. To study MS. The greatest study. You see how many foreigners are here. From different countries. Wearing bindi. You don't find in our ladies' mukham also bindi. Dot, a small dot. I do not know where from this culture has come. Newly. Previously, little bit bigger they used to keep. Now black dot. Everywhere. In TV also. Gents are putting kumkuma big. Ladies are putting dot. Botti ilka illaya. Looks like a Christian or Muslim. They don't look like a Hindu. The fashion of that day. Yesterday I showed one fashion. What fashion? Hairstyle. Here pituitary gland is there. The more you press here, the gland will be activated. That is the purpose of keeping chandan, kumkum on the forehead. All are scientific. If you do not know, you are missing. What to do? If you know, you are benefited. Anyhow, what I want to say, Chaturdasha Vidya Sthanani They are talking about Sanatana Dharma, the human goal, 4 Purusharthas. What are the 4 Purusharthas? Repeat. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. For that only, the whole humanity is divided into 4 groups. What are they? Varnas, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Based on what this division was done? Guna. Then Karma. So one group of people, they were knowledge oriented, studying and teaching to others. Bhagavan at the time of creation looked at them and he saw how these people are interested because of Sattva Guna. Sattva Guna is their person is always active, alert, learning, interest is there. Oh, that means they are the take carers of Veda. Brahma is another name for Veda. Brahman has got different meanings in different contexts. Brahma means Veda. Another meaning of Veda, Brahma. Why Brahma is another name? We can guess. Because Veda talking about the ultimate truth, that is Brahman. Brihattamatvat Brahman. Atma, when it is available in this body, when it is all-pervading, it is called Brahman. That Brahman is, since it is infinite, that Brahma is the topic of Vedas. That is why Veda can be called as Brahma. So these people are Sattva Guna, interested in studying. They can spend their time, energy for studying all these Chaturdash Vidya Sthanani. Therefore, Brahmana. Then there are another group, Kshatriya, who are very strong, Rajoguna Pradhana. They are very, very strong enough in their physical strength. Therefore, they have this habit of selflessly serving to the people. Law and order, leadership qualities, all are there in them. Kshatat Rayate iti Kshatriya. You see the derivation, how it has come. Brahma, Brahmano, Brahma Vedana. The Veda's topic is Brahma, therefore they are called Brahmanas, therefore they are the teachers, teaching community, because of Guna. Then Kshatriya, Rajoguna, these people are fit for ruling, they are the protectors. Kshata means Gaya, wound. You know, soldiers get wound or any accident, any wound happens, Kshatam, Trayate. Kshatriya is the one who protects from that. Kshatat Trayate iti Kshatriya. It's not meaningless names, there is a meaning in that. Vaishya, Shudra also because of RTS, business, Vyavasaya. Gau Raksha Vanijyam, Bhagavan Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Vaishyas do that job, their nature, they love to do business, therefore Bhagavan has given Vaishya name to another community of people. Then Shudras, which are TRS, Tamoguna is more dominant. They cannot have skillful, way of doing, thinking, intelligence, very low because of Tamoguna. Because of that nature, they are fit for mechanically doing, following the orders of that Yajamana, owner. So wherever, whatever is commanded by the owner, they perform. They are called Shudras. Therefore, always people have 4 groups, SRT, RST, RTS and TRS. TRS, and I don't think another TRS. Okay. In Telangana, one politician, party named TRS party. Don't think like. TRS the Tamoguna Pradhana. Okay. Anyhow, so 4 Varnas, Guna Vibhaga. Karma also. Brahmana karma, Kshatriya karma, Vaishya karma, Shudra karma. If you are not interested in that karma, okay, take any profession you like, but never be money oriented. Choice is there. Nowadays all are doing this job and that job. Everything is mixed up and messed up also. Okay. So karma is okay. But guna, there is a choice. Jati Brahmana, Jati Kshatriya, Jati Vaishya, Jati Shudra, no choice. Once you are born, you cannot change your parents. You cannot change. No choice. Karma, there is a choice. You can choose any karma. Doesn't matter. But be dharmic. Be dharmic and live and let live. Be as a good person, do good karma, good actions. Any profession, all professions are equally good. No profession is inferior, no profession is superior. These are all made by our own minds. So karma is okay. What about guna? Means sattva guna, everyone has to come. A student in the class who gets 20 marks, the student, 20-mark student, has to improve to get 100 marks or not. Slowly he can improve. Takes time, lot of time. Like that, here also, tamoguna people slowly can take up to the rajoguna to sattva-guna. Gradually they can become. For that, lot of rituals have been given in the Shastra. Tamasic to Rajasic to Tamasic person straight away cannot become Sattvic. Not possible. Therefore, slowly become a Rajasic. No, harming others and get benefit. That is called Tamasic. How Ratnakara became Valmiki? Ratnakara was what, TRS or RTS or SRT? Ratnakara. Who is Ratnakara? Valmiki is first name. Ratnakara. He was a TRS. He was. Later he became what? SRT. Therefore we worship. What caste? Tell me. Therefore we have never seen the caste. Vyasa Bhagavan, what caste? We never see the caste. Even Varna, Guna we see. Guna we respect. Even you are born as a Brahmin, but no Brahmana Guna, no Sattva Guna. Ravana, born Brahmin. 10 heads represents imbalance. 10 heads in the center, 1 head. This side, how many? 5. This side, 4. Up, like this. This shows imbalance. Just because of one karma, one avatara has to come to destroy Ravana. All such a Rudram, he knows all Vedas. Shiva Bhakta. From Kailasa he want to bring that Shiva Linga. But what happened? The lack of one, the virtue, Rama has to finish. This is why caste Varna is not given importance. Understand now what I am telling? In this culture, they blame the Brahmanas or they blame others, they were suppressed. All are here, not understanding properly. That is why I am asking, study our Puranas. Where is the caste system? Where is this Varna dominance? Nowhere. Therefore, everyone can become a Guna Brahmana. After this Varna Vyavastha, there is another Vyavastha given in Shastra is Ashrama Dharma. So, Varna Vyavastha over. For the well-being of the society, the humanity was categorized into 4 based on their Guna and Karma. And Ashrama Dharma also is mentioned for the well-being of the society. Irreplaceable. You cannot change this anything whatever said in Sanatana Dharma. Everything perfectly given. If you have a perfect thinking, you can understand. Otherwise, you cannot understand. You blame the scriptures otherwise. There are great people who blame easily. Manusmriti is wrong, this Smriti is wrong, that is wrong, that is wrong. You must study from a proper teacher. You yourself read and commentaries and pointing out the scriptures. No. You have no right to touch the Veda. Whatever said in Vedas only said given in our Smriti Puranas. Manusmriti, Parashara Smriti, all Smritis. So many Smritis are secondary scriptures taken from the Upanishads, Vedas. Therefore, Ashrama Dharma, number 1 is Brahmacharya Ashrama. Ashrama means a lifestyle and discipline given in the human beings. 100 years we take, suppose. A person wants to live 100 years. 4 ashramas are prescribed. Ashrama means don't think any other ashrama, that Swamiji ashrama, this Swamiji ashrama. No. Here I am asking ashrama means lifestyle. Brahmacharya, bachelorhood lifestyle. Brahmacharya ashrama. Study. Only study. Up to 25 years maximum. Study. Brahmacharya ashrama. Vidyarthi avastha. Vidyarthi chet tyajet sukham. If you are really interested in study, up to 25 years, from 2 years onwards, okay, according to you. Nursery, pre-K, play school, I forgot. Play school. Play school. And giving milk from, sucking the milk from the mission and giving that milk to the baby. Can baby feel the mother's touch? Baby has to listen the heartbeat of the mother. Baby can smell the sari smell of the mother. Why those days they used to tie that cradle with his mother's sari? Not big toys like nowadays. No? The richest person bring the nice the baby. What is that? Cradle. Not that our people don't have money. Mother's sari, old sari, they tie as a cradle for the baby. Why? Baby feels I am in the mother's lap. Why? Baby feels that smell of that sari. Swamiji, how do you know you are sannyasini? This is what psychology. We study psychology. Baby feels the smell of the mother's sari, old sari. Baby thinks I am on my mother's lap. Baby is not on the mother lap, but baby feels. That makes the baby so healthy. Nowadays, new cradles are coming. Lot of toys, colorful toys. Baby never feel that. Healthy baby cannot come. Very important. Baby means don't take it as granted. That is why mother is the first teacher of the child, because connection, placenta connection to the baby. Baby loves mother, trust mother. That's why Matra Devo Bhava, then only Pitra Devo Bhava. Later only we come, teacher. Acharya Devo Bhava. Mother is the first teacher. So, in the bachelor time, the child has to be sent to Gurukulam, study there. Guru becomes the mother and father. Mother handovers the child to the parents, hand over the child to the Guru. You are the now take care of my child. And he teaches. Lot of difficulties, lot of tests, lot of things there. We should not feel bad. My son, Kaikeyi, you want to send food to Rama when he is in Gurukulam. Dasharatha don't want to send Rama to Gurukulam. How can I send? He was fondling, oh Rama, Rama, Rama. Rama lived in Gurukulam. Krishna lived in Gurukulam. With all people, equally. Then only Vidyadhi Chet Tyajet Sukham. Live pleasures. Sukhadhi Chet, no, I want comforts. Tyajet Vidya. Give up Vidya. Sukhardhinaha Kuto Vidya. Those who want pleasure, comforts, my son, my only son, how can I stay without my son? Let me not send Gurukula. And the Gurukula, lot of work, hard work. Now you see, we are cleaning. Here also cleaning. At home also we are cleaning. Here also they are asking us cleaning. Seva. Nishkama karma. Once you do Nishkama karma, you are depositing some punya. Yesterday you have deposited some punya. There you cannot see. Because Swamiji, wherever stepped, you have done some seva. What you get? What I will get by this? Immense. You cannot explain in words. That's why seva. Like that, in Gurukula if they go, they do lot of seva, Guru Patni seva. They have to learn, they study the entire. Here in our வீட்ல phone, TV, computer. Amma, phone, TV, computer. Nice food, nice dress. We have to catch our head. And they go at the age of 15 and 16, they go here there. At that time you can't do anything. Small children are wearing big specs. Without that specs they cannot read. Why? Because of phone. If you won't give phone, they don't eat food. Sukhardhi chet tyajet vidya. Brahmacharya ashrama time, strict disciplined life is required. But parents are not ready nowadays to send. Of course, they also should take care of like father, mother. That is also important. Anyhow, Brahmacharya ashrama. Then comes Grihastha ashrama. Then Upanishad says when Guru is sending the child from the Gurukula, Prajatantum ma vyavachetsehi dharmana pramadhitavyam. Guru says, may you get married, after marriage get a job, get a job and marry. Okay, then earn money and give me Guru Dakshina later. That's why Gurukulam teaching was free. After marriage, when you are earning, that time you can give the Guru Dakshina to the Gurukulam. After entering Gurukulam into Grihastha you come bachelor to householder. Holding the house, householder, becoming a bachelor to a married person, a family. Family meant for what? Prajatantum ma vyavachetsehi. May you not deviate from the procreation. No? Your children, family, you have to increase. Big family. Not namirvar namakurvar. Tamil சொல்லுவாங்க. We are two, our one. We are two, our one. Now we are two, our one also gone. Previously our two. Our two to our one. Our one also gone. Name Kolandai, Namakem Kolandai. We are only children. Why to get children? We are only children. Wife and husband, they are thinking each other. You are my, no, we both are like children each other. Why to get children? Name Kolandai, Namakem Kolandai. Kolandai and Kuti. Children. In the Madri Vandachiko. Adi Poche. That also has gone. What has gone? Living together. Why to marry? Why responsibility? Why children? That is the British culture. You know what is convent? Convent is that where man and woman live together some time, get children, and give the children to the father, church father. That father is there. Who is father? In the church, there is a father. I don't know how he is father. He is a father. There is our nun also. And the child is given to them. They kept the name convent. That convents have come to our country. The poor Hindus do not know what is the meaning of convent. This is the meaning of convent. Where the woman and man and woman lived together, got children and left the children, they were separated. Both are contract. Marriage is contract marriage there. After getting children, they leave the children to the church. They keep the children in the convent. You go and see in the London, British, wherever Europe countries, that is called convent. And these people live separate and again they get married. That's why 4 marriages, 5 marriages are very common for them. It's not wrong for them. Live together. That is coming to our country. Almost it has come very dangerous. Grihastha-ashrama is the pillar of the society. Bachelor is also taken care of by Grihastha. Vanaprastha, retired person also taken care of by Grihastha. Sannyasi also taken care of by Grihastha. Grihastha is the pillar of this society. Nowhere in the world Grihastha-ashrama is so strong like in our country. But here also it is shaking now. Living together is coming most dangerous culture. Destroy the human psychology. People will become psychos. All psychos will come. Kutumba Vyavastha makes the person complete, healthy, emotionally strong enough. That's why Grihastha-ashrama is the ideal life for a person to do Agnihotram, Sandhyavandanam, lot of rituals and bringing up children. And once 50 years comes, the children will become grown up, the person hand over the responsibility to the children and enter into Vanaprastha ashrama, that is the 3rd ashrama. Vanam prati gacchati iti Vanaprastha. One has to give up the family relations, wife and husband. Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, Kunti, 3 of them went to forest, Vanavasa. That is called Vanaprastha ashrama. Ashrama means, see the 4 ashramas, the name is ashrama. Brahmacharya ashrama, Grihastha ashrama, Vanaprastha ashrama. You cannot go nowadays like olden days. So in your house itself you keep some trees, some plants and stay in your room. That is called Vanaprastha ashrama. Once in a while go to some ashrama and come like that. Then comes the Sannyasa ashrama, final ashrama, where you give up everything. Our relations also. No relation connection. That is Sannyasa ashrama. Enter into the 4th ashrama. The whole universe is your family. Not 1 member or 2 members. Entire universe is your family like. But person is not attached. This is the general way of living in our society. 4 ashramas. Varna, ashrama, dharma. Dharma means duty. Brahmacharya ashramana, some duties. Grihastha ashrama, some duties. Vanaprastha, some duties. What are the duties in Vanaprastha? Don't poke your nose in the grandchildren's matters. Because Vanaprastha, many Vanaprasthis are here. After 50, don't enter into family matters. My son Swami, he is already 50. Why you are worrying? 40, 30, crossed son, he is grown up. Don't worry about him. Then what I have to do? Do japa. Namo Narayana, Namo Narayana. Read Parayanam, some Parayanam, japa, upasana will have to be done in Grihastha-ashrama. Grihastha-ashrama karma pradhana, Vanaprastha-ashrama upasana pradhana. Brahmacharya ashrama vidya pradhana. Study, study, study. No luxury, no cinema, no movie, no any entertainment. Don't pamper the children. Kanna, kanna, kanna. Tangame, tangam, gold. Don't pamper the child. Brahmacharya ashrama, Grihastha ashrama for karma pradhana. Vanaprastha-ashrama for upasana pradhana. Sannyasa-ashrama is jnana pradhana. Most full and full jnana. Once you finish your karma yoga and upasana yoga and jnana yoga, you come. This is the normal presentation, like Janaka Maharaja, Yajnavalkya. All rishis were grihasthas. Sannyasis are very rare. This is the general rule. Exceptions are there. Those who have completed their marriage in the previous janma, suppose, like me, like some other Swamijis, Sannyasinis, and yadahareva virajet, tadahareva praprajet. When you get previous janma, we have completed Grihastha ashrama, Vanaprastha. Therefore, from Brahmacharya ashrama itself, we enter into Sannyasa ashrama. Very rare exceptions are there. What is general rule only we have to apply. Exceptions are not taken general rule. Okay? Nicely, Brahmacharya ashrama, Grihastha ashrama, Karma pradhana, Vanaprastha ashrama, Upasana pradhana, Sannyasa ashrama, internal sannyasa. Even though you are in color dress, have an internal renunciation, sannyasa, bhavana. Tyaga. Tyage naike amrutatvamana. By tyaga, giving up attachment with everything in this world. I am attached only to Bhagavan, nothing else. I have done my duties towards my children. I am related only to Bhagavan now. That is the life journey. Beautifully designed in Sanatana Dharma. Varna Dharma, Ashrama Dharma. Grihastha ashrama is the pillar of the society. So, Krishna Bhagavan is a Grihastha, Mahagrihastha. Rama is also a Grihastha. All our Devatas and Devis are all Grihasthas only. Okay. Vote for you only. Krishna Paramatma, vote for you only. Anyhow, more in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.